All right, guys. So we got this ridiculous thing that Dave 2D. Yeah, I'm a big fan of Dave 2D, subscriber and everything. But we got this thing. If you say French construction worker, he's got this. You're gonna get more views on your video. So he kept saying French construction worker, French construction worker in his video, and all of a sudden he got like 3,000 more subscribers and more views, which I think it's a bunch of crap. But, like I said, I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan of Dave, but I'm sure people just like his content. That's how he got the 3,000 subscribers. I don't think it's saying French construction worker over and over. I mean, it's like, I can make a video. This, and all I say is French construction worker, over and over again. I can make that video right now, and I'm not gonna get any 3,000 views. You know, uh, why not say something like big boobs, or something? If I say big boobs, busty women, that should get more views or more, algorithms, like he said, than French construction workers. You say that over and over. But why not you say ladies on the night, or something stupid, Say ladies on the night, over and over. Hookers, over, Obviously, that might get me, not monetized. If you say hookers, or busty women, or big boobs, something like that would bring in more, subscribers than, saying French construction workers. But yeah, he put out this video. I think it's just coincidence that he did this, and then he got 3,000 more subscribers. I think people just like his content, and he got more subscribers. It's like, just kind of coincidental that he got more subscribers because they like his content, not because he said French construction worker over and over. You're not gonna get it's more about your content, and it's more about maybe your thumbnail or something. I know women put their thumbnails, with like scantily clad women thumbnails usually do well, and stuff like that. But yeah, like I said, I'm a big fan. Of Dave, but yeah, I can't play much of the video. I don't want Dave copyrighting, give me a copyright. But the video.
So we've done it. We've cracked the algorithm, everybody. On April 18th, I announced that I figured out a way to manipulate the algorithm to get subscribers. By saying the words. And that's all you gotta do, and then you just get subscribers. And, I'm sure everyone thought I was crazy. But
who's crazy now?
And we're just gonna keep pushing this French construction worker. What was that? French construction worker. Best of girls compilation. That's hilarious. My reputation was on the line.
Like I said, I can't show all that. I don't want Dave, even though I'm a big fan. I don't want Dave to give me a copyright. But yeah, so I'll put the link in the video of his video. But I think it's just it's just happened that he's like his content, and he all of a sudden got 3,000 more views. I think it's more of his content than saying French construction workers over and over. Like I said, seems like if you said boobs over and over, you can get more more subscribers than that. I know the thing what happened in France. I understand that story, but All right, guys, I just wanted to comment on this, and we'll see what happens. We'll see how many more subscribers he gets. Maybe he'll get 3,000 a day. I don't know, but I'm sure he'll do an update on the video. So, all right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.